How to find the median will be L plus H into N by 2 minus CF by F. Okay? This is a formula to find out the median of the group data. Yesterday we have discussed one question. Did we do it? We have done it. Okay. What does this L stand for, children? Of the median class. X is what? Class size of the median class. What is N? Sum of frequency. Sit down, children. What is your cumulative? The CF? Of the preceding class. What is F? Frequency of the median class. If you know, you can do. Yesterday we have done question that was an inclusive class interval or exclusive class interval? Exclusive. This was inclusive. Did we discuss a question with inclusive or exclusive? Don't look at me. Question is written in your copy. Calculate the median for the following data. Calculate the median for the following data. Marks obtained. Less than 10 and number of students. This is the question given to you. Number of students. Number of students is 6, 15, 29, 41, 60 and 70. Number of students. Did you copy? Everyone is written? Now tell me, do you find a difference in this question and the question that we have done yesterday? What is the difference of it? We had what? Class intervals. Do we have class intervals here? No. So our work is to first convert this into class intervals. Our work is to first convert this into class intervals. Okay? How will you? Very good. Now answer. How are you supposed to answer? Right. Class interval. Now answer you are writing. Class interval. Class, you can write class. How should we start the class? It is less than 10. Kushi Pandey. How should I start with it? 0 to 10. Very good. Class 0 to 10. What will be the next one? 10 to 20. What will be the next one? 20 to 30 and next one 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Okay? Now, please see, look here. If you get this type of question, I have told you before also, it is less than 10, less than 20. What is this given to you? Cumulative frequency. What is this given to you? Remember, if the question is given into this form, class interval form and number of students, that is a frequency. Understand? But if the question is less than 10 or less than 20, more than, then this frequency is your cumulative frequency. Out of this cumulative frequency, you have to find out frequency. Clear? This step is clear to you or not? So which column? Cumulative frequency. Make a column of cumulative frequency. What is that? 6, 15, 29, 41, 60 and 70. Now you have to frame frequency out of this. Kushi, can you tell me beta? First will be same. Very good. 15 minus 6. Very good. Then 29 minus 14. Then 41 minus 29. How much will you get? 12. Then 60 minus 41, how much? 19. 19. And 70 minus 60. This is the frequency. Okay, if you want to know whether this frequency is correct or wrong, Yasser, can you tell me what can we do? Find the sum of it, and that should be equal to 70. Okay, clear? Now we know frequency, we know cumulative frequency, we know class interval. Okay, now we have to find the median. Now, in order to find the median, first of all, what are we supposed to find out? Median class. How do we find the median class? N by 2. Very good. What is your N? 70. What is your N? 70. Find out N by 2. That should be written 35 below the table. N by 2 is what? 70 by 2. That is equal to 35. Which class are we going to choose? More than 35. Under which column, Atul? Cumulative frequency. Shanvi, tell me. Tell me, Shanvi. Which one should I choose? More than 35. How many of you know raise your hand?
41.
Huh?
41.
Let her answer. Yes, beta?
41.
42?
40 to 50.
She's saying 40 to 50. Is it correct?
No. 30 to 40.
Harshita, tell me.
40 to
40, 30 to
40.
Very good. More than 35. Atul, is it clear?
Yes.
41. Why did you say this, beta? More than 35 will lie here,
I
na?
was saying 41 as well.
Okay, you said I am. Maybe I was not able to hear. Okay, right? So it will lie in this. That means which class interval is the median class? 30 to 40. Sit down. Then what will you write? See, these are the steps you should write. Therefore, the median class. Therefore, the median class. So, what is the median class? 30 to 40. Okay. Now, median class is 30 to 40. What will be your L here? 30. Very good. What is the H here? 10. Keep writing, keep writing. L is 30 and your H is 10. Very good.
29.
How did you choose it? Preceding class. Very good. This is your class. So preceding class is 29. L is what? 30 plus H is what? 10 into N by 2 is 35 minus preceding class is 29 upon what is F?
70.
What is F? Frequency, beta, frequency of the median class. Which one is the median class, beta? You tell me.
30.
Frequency of the median class. Which one is the frequency? 12. Frequency of the median class. Quickly, I am counting till 10. Find out the answer and tell me. 30 plus 35. Very good. Somebody has taken out. Good. 15 minus 9 will be how much? 6. By 12 it is very simple. Goes by 2 times. So 35 is the median. 35 is the median. Very good. Good. Done? Find the missing frequencies. Find the missing frequencies. Should I rub it off? Should I rub it off? Find the missing frequencies. In the following frequency distribution table. In the following frequency distribution table, if n is equal to 100, what does this n stand for, children? Summation of frequency, and median is 32, and median is 32. Your question is marks zero to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. And number of students. Number of students. 10. This is X. This is 25. This is Y. This is 10. What's the marks? 0 to 10. 10 to 20. 20 to 30. 30 to 40. 40 to 50. 50 to 60. And the frequency was 10. This is X. This is 25. This is 30. This is Y. And this is 10. Frequency is. Have you completed yourself? No, 100. Median is given to you now. Median is how much? 32. And some of the frequencies is also given to you. Isn't it? Now, we need a cumulative frequency table also here. We need a cumulative frequency. How will you find the cumulative frequency? Tell me. First will remain as it is. Then 10 plus X. Then what will be the next one? 35 plus X. Isn't it? Then this one will be how much? 65 plus X. Then this will be how much? 65 plus X plus Y. And this will be how much? 75 plus X plus Y.
25.
25? No, why? 70. See, look here. How did, please say. This is your frequency, beta. You have to frame a cumulative frequency column for this. Look here, Yasir. First one we will copy as it is to all. Look here. And second one, how do we copy? X plus 10. Third one, this plus this. So 25 plus 10, 35 plus X. Next one will be this plus this. What? 65 plus X. Next one will be this plus this. 65 plus X plus Y. Third one will be 10 plus 65. 75 plus X plus Y. Clear? Okay? Now, that means your table is over now. Your table is over now. Okay? How should we, now what should we do? N by 2. Now, what is n, children? First tell me, what is n? 100. What is n actually? Sum of all the frequencies. Yes or no? Sum of all the frequencies. You write in the copy, given n is equal to 100. If n is 100, what is the meaning of this? Sum of all these should be 100. Yes or no? 10 plus x plus 25 plus 30 plus y plus 10 is equal to 100. You write an equation in x and y. Write an equation in x and y.
25.
Pardon?
X plus y 25.
This one 25. Yes. Very good. Okay. Now, look here. Please see. Now we have to choose what the median class. How should we choose the median class? N by 2. What is our n by 2? 50. More than 50. More than 50. Which column under cumulative frequency? More than 50. Yes or no? So what is your median class? 30 to 40. Yes or no? Right. Median class. Median class 30 to 40. Median class 30 to 40. How much is the L here? 30. You should write everything. How much is the H here? 10. And what will be your cumulative frequency of the preceding class?
25.
Cumulative frequency 25. Isn't it? Cumulative frequency will be 25. And what is frequency? Frequency of the median class? What is the frequency of the median? No, sorry. Yeah. Cumulative frequency will be cumulative frequency of the preceding class. 35 plus x. Isn't it? 35 plus x. And what will be your frequency? Frequency of the median class. This is the median class. Frequency is what? 30. We have all these things with us. Atul, did you write better?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear or not to all of you? Huh? Now we will come back to our formula. What is our formula? Write the formula first. Write the formula. First of all of you write the formula. M is equal to L plus H into N by 2 minus CF upon M. So M is equal to, lower limit is what? 30 plus H is what? 10 into N by 2 is what? 50 minus preceding class is what? 35 plus X. Keep this in bracket because there is a minus sign in front. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Upon F. What is our F? 30. How much is the median given to you? How much is the median given to you? 32 is equal to 30 plus, this will be 10 into, this goes by 3 times. Can we cut 3 times? So we have 50, remove the bracket, minus 35 minus x upon 3. So what will you get? This will be 32 is equal to 30 plus, any problem here? Any problem that working here? 50 minus 35 will be how much? 15? No.
Yes,
I have removed the bracket here. Minus 35 and minus and plus with sign minus. So 50 minus 35 you get 15? 15 minus x upon 3. Upon 3? Yes or no? So what, any problem? Okay. Now see, look here. I am taking this 30 this side. What will happen? 32 minus 30 is equal to 15 minus x upon 3. 32 minus 32 is equal to 15 minus x upon 3. Cross multiply. What will you get? 6 is equal to 15 minus x. Bring this x this side. X is equal to 15 minus 6, that is equal to 9. If x is 9, can we find out y?
Yes, ma'am.
By the first equation. What was the first equation?
X plus y
equal to 25. Okay? Very good. What is the first equation? X plus y is equal to 25. How much is the x? 9 plus y is equal to 25. Y is equal to 60.